Welcome to the Trailvia channel. Here's the airport line you should always choose. Between the long lines and confusing rules, passing through airport security can all too often be a headache for travelers. This is especially true if you're in a rush to catch a flight, as security lines rarely move at breakneck speed. But fortunately, there are several tricks you can take advantage of to move past airport security more quickly. Find out why one popular strategy, always choosing the left line at airport security, usually gets you past the checkpoint in less time. Why the left line is often shorter. According to sociological theories, people have a subconscious tendency to stick to what feels comfortable rather than what may be the most efficient course of action. The same idea applies to travel. One of the more common mistakes that many flyers make is going straight to the center line because it's the first one they see. This is often due to factors such as inexperience or herd mentality, as people usually follow others into less than ideal situations. Another theory about why the left line is best has to do with dominant-handedness. In Western countries, around 85% to 90% of people are right-handed, and because of this, they tend to look and drift toward the right side. At the airport, this means that people may follow that instinct and end up in the rightmost line at security. Assuming that both of the above theories hold true, there's a good chance that the left line will be the least crowded and thus most efficient of the bunch. Adjust if necessary. While the left security line may move the quickest, keep in mind that's not always guaranteed to be true. Before hopping in line, take a few moments to analyze the situation and try to gauge how fast each line is moving. Just because one line is the shortest doesn't always mean it's the fastest, as that line may have TSA agents that are slower when it comes to checking people's luggage. Once you have a grasp on how quickly each line is moving, you can hop into the queue and hope for the best. Come prepared. No matter which line you chose, it's important to come prepared to get through security quickly and make it easier on the passengers behind you. First, keep your passport or identification in an easy-to-access location. You should also pack your bag so that it's easy to remove any electronics or liquids when asked, and wear as few accessories as possible so you don't potentially hold up the line. Also, as you get toward the front of the line, be sure to listen for any pertinent instructions. If your head is down in your phone, you may miss useful announcements that could help lessen the security logjam. Look for the hidden queue. If the leftmost security line looks just as packed as the others, then you may be out of luck, unless the airport has a hidden security line. Some, but not all airports provide auxiliary queues that are in a different location. These are often used if the main security lines become overcrowded. If you're short on time before your flight, speak to a customer service agent who may be able to direct you to a spillover line, should it exist. Apply for trusted traveler programs. Programs such as TSA PreCheck, Global Entry, and Clear are game changers when it comes to passing through airport security. All of these programs require paying an application or membership fee and undergoing a background check. But once you're approved, you'll gain access to dedicated security lines that usually move much more quickly than a normal security line, since these travelers don't have to remove their shoes, liquids, or laptops. Clear even offers members the option to reserve a spot in the security line at many airports around the world, in order to expedite the process even further. Thanks for watching the Trailvia channel. Like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips.